and welcome back to Alina's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making cucumber roll-ups. These roll-ups are super tasty, easy to make, and also healthy. So what's more to say? Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to start with is making our avocado filling. Today I'm actually doubling the recipe, so this should be serving 3 to 4 people, but normally if you're just making this for yourself, you can cut this recipe in half. So to start with, I have 2 avocados, and I'm going to add to this 3 cloves of garlic, which I have minced really fine, as well as 3 teaspoons of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of chopped basil. You can also use a blender if you want it to be really smooth, but I don't mind it a little bit chunky, so I'm just going to mash it. And now the last thing we're going to add to this is salt and pepper to taste. And then we can start rolling them up. So to make these thin cucumber slices, what I have here is just 1 English cucumber, and I took off the first slice of the outer skin and I didn't use that. And then I'm just taking my peeler and dragging it along, making sure not to break at any point. And voila, we have our cucumber slice. And so from that, what we're going to do is we're just gonna add a little bit of the mashed avocado mixture throughout our slice. You don't want it to be too thick, or else it will just all come out the sides when you roll it. And I'm just gonna slowly start rolling it. And cucumber is so nice to work with because it usually won't break or anything, and it rolls really nice and smooth. And here we have our beautiful finished cucumber rolls. Optional, you can add a little bit of hot sauce, or I like to add just a dash of paprika on top of them to give it that little spice, but this is optional, so if you don't like spice, just don't do it. And now the best part of any meal is getting to eat it, right? So here we go. So good. The spiciness, it's so smooth and fresh. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Also, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, or if you're just looking for the full recipe, it's listed down below or on my website.